They say time waits for no one. But I have always wondered, does time even exist the way we think it does? My name is Albert Einstein, and today I want to share with you the mystery of time. Not as a scientist standing before equations, but as a human being trying to understand the rhythm of the universe. When I was a boy, I used to sit quietly watching the clock on the wall. Each tick, each second felt like a heartbeat of the universe. But one question never left me. Is that tick the same for everyone? Does time move the same for all who live under the same sky? You see, before my time, scientists believed time was absolute, unchanging, universal, flowing at the same pace for all. But I discovered that time is not constant. Time bends, stretches, and even slows down, depending on how fast you move or how close you are to massive objects. Let me explain. Imagine two twins. One stays on Earth. The other travels into space near the speed of light. When the traveler returns, he finds that his brother has aged decades, while he has only aged a few years. That is not fiction, it's reality, proven by physics. This is the true mystery of time. It is not a river that flows at the same speed. It's a fabric that can warp, twist, and stretch. It changes depending on your motion, your gravity, your energy. Time is alive. But this truth brings a strange feeling, doesn't it? Because if time is not the same for everyone, then what is now? What does past and future even mean? For a long time, I thought deeply about this, and I realized something beautiful. The past, the present, and the future all exist together in one grand tapestry called space-time. We don't move through time as passengers on a train. We are part of time itself, like waves in the ocean. Each moment you live still exists somewhere in this vast cosmic fabric. The smile you gave someone yesterday still floats there. The dream you will chase tomorrow is already written in the geometry of the universe. Time is not lost. It only shifts its place in the pattern. But why do we feel time passing if it's all one? Because our minds can only see one slice of it at a time. Like reading a book, one page after another, we live each moment separately. Yet the story, the entire book, already exists. The mystery of time is not only a question for science, it is also a question for the soul. Every second you live is a miracle, because it means you exist inside a moving universe. You are part of the grand unfolding of space and energy, a dance between light and gravity. When you look at the stars, you are looking into the past. The light from those stars left millions of years ago, traveling across the cosmos, only now touching your eyes. In that moment, you are both the present and the past united. The universe shows you that time connects everything. The atoms in your body were once part of stars that died long before Earth was born. You are built from the ashes of time itself. This is why I often said, the distinction between past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion. You see, the clock on the wall may tick forward, but the universe, it simply is. Eternal, whole, complete. So what does this mean for you, for your life? It means that the moments you think are gone are still part of you. The love, the laughter, the dreams, they don't vanish. They live in the structure of space-time, just as your footsteps remain imprinted on the path behind you. Every choice you make ripples through time, shaping not just your future, but the universe itself. Even the smallest act of kindness has eternal value, because it becomes woven into the timeless fabric of reality. I did not create the mystery of time. I only helped reveal it. And the more I studied it, the more I realized that science and philosophy are not enemies. They are two eyes seeing the same truth. The deeper we look into the laws of the cosmos, the more we realize that time, space, and energy are not cold equations. They are poetry written in the language of the universe. Time is not your enemy. It is your canvas. You are not racing against it. You are shaping it. You are part of its flow. Every breath, every heartbeat is your dialogue with eternity. So when you feel that time is running out, remember this. Time is not leaving you. You are moving through its infinite ocean, creating waves that will echo forever. The true mystery of time is not how it passes, but how it connects everything, from the smallest atom to the farthest star, from your first breath to your final moment. We live, we love, we imagine, all within this beautiful illusion called time. And perhaps when our journey ends, we will finally see what time really is. Not something that began or ended, but something that always was. The universe doesn't count seconds. It counts stories.